What's going on, y'all? Another day, another job. It's like, no, ignore this joint, because I'm doing it so that my hair don't, be all on the ground. Because pretty much what you're about to see is me going ahead and replacing the start on my truck. Truck won't start. All it does is click when you turn the key. So we're gonna go out there real quick. We're gonna go knock this joint out, and it's freezing outside. It's not fun. And there's Nina. What you doing, girl? You ready to come in or no? She cracks me up. So I'm a little nervous to do this because first of all, it's windy. It's super windy. Like, it's to the point where everything is blown away. It knocked over my grill and everything. But the truck, why is there a grasshopper hopping around? But my truck is in the grass. And obviously because it won't start, I don't really feel like trying to push this mug or nothing like that. But I'm gonna try to get it done. My tire was flat. That's what that loud noise is. It's my air compressor. My daggone couch cushions is flying all over the place. Let's get this done. After many hours later, this was more of a pain than I thought it would be. So here's the old part. As you can see, rusty. But I think I got everything buttoned up to try to go ahead and start. Ignore this. I put it on my head so that my head don't in the grass. Know what I mean? Let's see what it does. It wasn't a hard process, but definitely longer than I thought it was going to take. I did not hear the fuel pump prime at all, but let's try it. Yep, she's good.